Today we're going to talk about some of the keywords that we use with past perfect verbs and how you can use them correctly in a sentence. We're going to talk today about before, by the time, after, and when. And again, we're going to be focusing on how to use these words with past perfect verbs. Let's start with before and by the time. We use these in the same way grammatically, and the meaning is almost the same also. Before she arrived, we had finished the work. And by the time she arrived, we had finished the work. Now, of course, the first action that happened was we had finished the work, and the second action, she arrived. So we use before and by the time together with the second action. When you're using past perfect, that means the simple past action. We use it together with before or by the time. And then we have the first action with had finished the work. Now, the meaning for these two is almost the same. We use it together with the second action to show that this action happened before that action. But they do have a small difference in the feeling they give. Before tends to really focus on a sequence of events, like this happened and then this happened. Whereas by the time gives more of a feeling of a time limit. Something has to happen before this time limit. Similar to by the time, we can use phrases like by last week or by Wednesday. We can use by with a specific time or an amount of time in the past. So now let's look at our other examples of after and when. We're going to use the same sentence examples with all of these, and we always have the first action, finish the work, the second action, arrived. She arrived after we had finished the work. You can see we put after together with action 1. We can also switch the clauses here. We could say after we had finished the work, comma, she arrived. This after always stays together with that past perfect action 1. And when has a similar meaning. We can see when she arrived, we had already finished the work, or we had finished the work already. We put when together with action 2, and then our past perfect clause. It's very common with when and these past perfect sentences to use the word already also. And we can put it in one of those two positions. We can say we had finished the work already, or we can switch it to say we had already finished the work.